Material properties, incandescence. This is the brightness of the material that it's emanating. You can kind of think of this as like uh, something that represents like a TV screen or a light bulb or a phone screen. The material is giving off light. And so we're using this to simulate the emission of the color from the object. Now, this is independent and it does not change any of the other objects in our scene. So it does not illuminate other models or anything like that or objects in our scene. So we're going to go up to create. And we're going to go to materials and we're going to pick Mudbox materials. I'm going to come down here in Incandescence, yeah, and I'm going to choose a color. Well, if I choose a white color and I say none, or I mean done down here, excuse me, I've created a white light. So I'm going to come up here and name this thing Incandescence. Okay, pull the right, and I'm going to just say white, and I'm going to close this. Now, I'm going to right click on the object. I'm going to assign an existing material, and you can see how that turns it to white. All right. Now, let's go up and do that again. Let's go to create materials. I'm going to create another material, and I'll do this one again. And let's go with a cool blue color. So this is a more of a cool blue type of a light. And I'm just going to go and pick on a very cool. And I'm going to come down here in my HSV, my hue saturation. I'm going to lower my saturation down a little bit so it's nice and on the cooler side. I'll close that. I'm going to right click and assign new material. I'll say cool blue, and you can see I got the cool blue effect of this. It's giving off this light. Now if it was a warm light like an incandescent light bulb, let's try that. Let's go up to create and go to materials, Mudbox materials, and I'm going to say it is, I'm going to say warm, a warm yellow, let's call it. All right, so then we're going to come down here and pick, and I'll pick on some sort of yellow color. I'll pick here in the lighter yellows. I'm going to drop down my saturation, just so it's got a hint of yellow. I'll close. I'm going to right click. I'm going to assign that material, and you can see now it has more of a warmer. So this is kind of like maybe if it was a light bulb type of effect, where the cool blue is more like a fluorescent light type of effect or a computer screen type of effect. So you can have this type of material so that it's emanating light out of the object. It doesn't highlight or illuminate any other of the objects in the model or in the scene. This is to represent basically the emanation of a color from an object. So I like to do this for things like a TV screen, um, for television, for a phone, things of that nature.